We started with a plant for our tomato, and we had it anchored and everything, and it was doing good, and then it got broke by the wind. So we took the part that got broke off, stuck in the ground here, and it's beginning to grow. But then there was still this part that had this huge part on it, and it was doing good. It had green tomatoes on it and flowers, and it was doing real good. Then yesterday I came out, and we had wind the day before, and the wind broke it again. So I have trimmed it off and stuck it down in the ground, and I'm gonna try to save it. I don't know if it's gonna be savable, but our tomato plant has really been beat up this year.